Hello. Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel. This is the AutoLabPro channel. You're like, what is the AutoLabPro channel? What's this channel all about? Cars, my friend, cars. Mostly and mainly Mercedes-Benz, because that's my passion. I love them. That's what I work on every day. That's what I prefer to work on every day. But I do get the occasional Bentley, occasional Ferrari, Maserati. We get a Phantom in here and there, but mostly Mercedes-Benz. But we will be exploring a few different types of cars, mostly of what's on the road today, though. Again, I love cars. They've been a passion of mine since I was a kid, and this is what I do every day, right here in this garage. This is the AutoLabPro garage, right here. So stay tuned. Now, technology is moving fast. If you know anybody that owns a Mercedes-Benz, then you definitely want to share this with them, because they're going to get a lot of good information on how to save themselves a few dollars instead of going to the dealership, and they could, possibly do it themselves. So a lot of jobs on these cars. If you got a few tools, man, you can do your own work. Some work you can't do, you need specialized tools, but there's a lot of work you can do on your own to your own car. And then, it's a feeling of accomplishment, man. You like that car a little bit more when you're done, So, again, stay tuned and make sure you like this channel. Some of the repairs that I do here and you'll see on here are not practical for the average person, because you're gonna have to have specialized tools to do that. But when you do go to the dealer or you do go to your mechanic, you can have a clearer understanding and you can talk to him about that and have a good grasp as to what it is that he's doing or he's trying to explain to you. Because these cars are very complex. So keep that in mind. Stay tuned. AutoLabPro is the name of my channel. It's also the name of my website. It's also the name of my Instagram, and it's also the name of my business. My garage, AutoLabPro. So I'm looking forward to sharing some cool stuff with you involving these Mercedes and these Beamers, and I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share this with somebody if they dig Mercedes or they dig Beamers. It's going to be some good information here for them. I'll see you on the next video, and stay safe on the road. No texting while driving, and I'll see you soon. Take care.